Another use of sound in the form of mantras was to generate fire. In ancient times, the brahmanas, who were expected to know the science of mantras, were able to light sacrificial fires simply by mantra, by sound vibration. Sound could also be used as a weapon. There was an ancient king who was of the bad variety named Vena, King Vena. He was very bad to his citizens, so the brahmanas, or the spiritual leaders of society, killed him using mantras. Wow. This is stated in the Bhagavat Purana, that sound could be used as a weapon. Sound could also be used to manufacture objects, technological objects. For example, the sage Kardama Muni generated a spaceship or vimana using mantras, using his yogic meditative powers. This use of spacecraft takes place in the context of the Vedic cosmology, which involves a multi-level consciousness-based universe. There's one level of the cosmos dominated by the ordinary material elements. It's inhabited by creatures adapted to the conditions there. That's where we find ourselves now. Beyond that, there is a more subtle material level of the cosmos dominated by subtle material energies. It's inhabited by creatures adapted to the conditions there. People in different cultures have different names for them. They might call them angels or jinn or gods, devas in the Vedic terminology. Then beyond that, there is another level of the cosmos, which I call the level of pure consciousness, or Brahman. It's inhabited by beings adapted to the conditions there. And according to the Vedic literature, there are vimanas from all three different levels.